I am going to study about the adjectives. This is your chapter number 3. Children, adjectives are words that qualifies any noun or pronoun. Okay children, what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which qualifies a noun. Understand? In previous class also you have learnt about that. You know nicely how many types of adjectives are there? There are many types of adjectives, but here I am going to explain you some very important adjectives, such as adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. In this type of adjective, the quality of any noun is told, and it answers the question of what kind. If noun is there, if anything is there, any place is there, then it is a what kind of this that thing. Now second one, adjective of number. Adjective of number shows the number of the noun, means answer the question how many things. Okay children, adjective of number can be divided into two parts: cardinal number and ordinal number. Cardinal number stands for the direct counting 1, 2, 3 or 4, okay, and so on. But ordinal number stands for their order, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc. Okay. Now adjective of quantity. It answers the question how much. What it answers? How much. Demonstrative adjectives. It indicates or points about any noun. Okay, means this, that, these, those. These are the demonstrative adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Next one is possessive adjectives. Children, possessive adjective shows the next one is possessive adjectives. Children, possessive adjective shows the belongingness, means possession of the thing. Who is having the possession or ownership of that thing? It shows that thing, like his, her, how, whose, like that. Interrogative adjectives. In interrogative adjectives, question words are used with noun, like whose book, which boy, this way. Okay children, here whose or which, they are not a question word, they are in the form of interrogative adjective. Understand children? Again I am giving you examples of these adjective of quality, like good, bad, big, small, like that. Adjective of numbers, cardinal and ordinal, two types are there. In cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. In ordinal first, second, third, fourth, like that, so on. And in third adjective, adjective of quantity, means it gives the answer of how much, some, little, more, like that. Demonstrative adjectives. It indicates toward the noun, like this boy, that boy, these girls, those girls, like that. Now possessive adjectives shows belongingness or possession of someone. Okay, like his bag, your bag, my bag, like that. Interrogative adjectives, question words are used with nouns, like whose bag, which boy, which pencil, whose mother, like that. I hope you understand all these things children. Now children comes another topic, degrees of comparison. What is the topic? Degrees of comparison. In this we used to compare two things on the basis of their qualities. Okay children. Now adjectives are used to compare qualities of nouns. There are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives. Used to compare two things on the basis of their qualities. Okay children. Now adjectives are used to compare qualities of nouns. There are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives. First one is positive degree, second one comparative degree, third one superlative degree. In positive degree, we are always using the base form of the adjective. In comparative degree, we are comparing about two things. Okay, We are doing the comparison between two things. And to make an adjective in comparative form, we supposed to add er, either ier. Okay, like tall, taller. If we want to make the comparative of tall, then we have to add er, either ier. Okay, and after the comparative word, we will use than. What we will use? Than, like taller than, bigger than, smaller than, heavier than, like that. Now third one is superlative degree. In superlative degree, we are comparing between more than two words. What we are comparing? Between more than two words. We are selecting the one which is the best among all those. And to make the adjective in superlative form, we supposed to add est or iest. What we have to add in the adjective? Est or iest. And before this superlative form of the adjective, we will use the. What we will use? The. So, like tall, we will make it tallest. Big, biggest. Long, longest. Understand? So, we will write like this: the biggest, the longest, the smallest, like that. I hope you all understand this topic, degrees of comparison. We have got the detail of chapter 3, adjective. I have told you each and everything. All the things I have explained, all the points I have made it clear. Now children, there is one exercise C on page number 18. In this exercise, rewrite the sentences with the opposite of the underlined adjectives. In this exercise, in sentences, some words are underlined and you have to write down, you have to remove these words, you have to replace these words with their opposites. Okay children? In my PDF, I have written upside those opposites. Okay? When you will write these sentence here in given space, what you will do? You will replace these underlined words with their opposite, which I have written in the book upside these words. Okay children? There is no need to write in this way. You will write full sentence replacing these words with these new opposite words. Okay children? I hope you understand what I want here. Okay. There is one more exercise H on page number 24. Children, in this exercise, rearrange the adjectives in the brackets to form sentences with the correct order of adjective. You have to write these adjectives given in the bracket, but they are not in proper order. They are jumbled. So you will arrange these adjectives given in the bracket and then you will write them again. Okay children? So here in the book, I have given the right order just upside of these adjectives. See, in first sentence, Rohit wants to buy a sports new red car. What are the words in bracket? Sports new red. So I have arranged these words. New red sports. New red sports. So when you will write this sentence in this given space, how you will write? Rohit wants to buy a new red sports car. In place of these words, you will write these new words which I have written in new order. Okay. Similarly, in the third sentence, Kiran has made a wooden big chair. Wooden big. No, it should be big wooden chair. So you will write Kyra has made a big wooden chair for her grandma. Okay. So in this way, I have written all the correct orders upside these jumbled adjectives. So you will replace these jumbled adjectives and then you will write these correct order adjective and you will complete the sentences here in this given space. I hope you understand these things children nicely. So all the exercises I have filled here and I will send you all these things in the PDF form. Thank you.